welcome to Speak Ready English.
Thank you for pressing play today.
Your time is valuable, and we are happy you choose us.
This is your safe space. No stress, only learning.
Every word you learn makes you stronger tomorrow.
Think of our podcasts like building blocks.
One block at a time, you build your English.
This channel makes learning simple and clear for you. Today's topic is small talk for beginners.
You hear small talk in many places in real life.
At work, at parties, with neighbors, everywhere.
After this podcast, you can start friendly conversations in simple English.
Later in this podcast, I show you something special.
It is a simple trick with 3 topics.
I call it the weather, work, weekend trick.
These 3 topics work for any small talk situation.
Stay with us to learn this trick.
Does small talk feel hard for you?
Many people feel like that at first, and they learn you will too.
If you like slow, clear English, please subscribe.
Your likes and comments give us energy.
Your simple English is powerful.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's learn some vocabulary for small talk.
Our first word is chat.
Chat means to talk in a friendly and relaxed way.
I like to chat with my friends about music.
Use chat for casual conversations.
The next word is nice.
Nice means pleasant or good.
The weather is nice today. My neighbor is nice.
You will use nice a lot in small talk.
Our third word is weather.
Weather is the sun, rain, snow, or temperature outside.
Today the weather is sunny. Yesterday it was cloudy.
Some example words for weather are sunny, rainy, cold, hot, and cloudy.
Weather is a very popular topic for small talk.
The fourth word is busy.
Busy means having a lot of things to do.
I am busy this week. Are you busy today?
When someone is busy, they have no free time.
Great job learning these first 4 words.
Your brain is learning right now.
Now let's learn 5 more words.
The next word is small talk.
Small talk is light, friendly conversation about easy topics.
We do not talk about serious things in small talk.
We talk about weather, weekend plans, or work.
Small talk helps people feel comfortable together.
Repeat after me. I enjoy small talk with my coworkers.
I enjoy small talk with my coworkers.
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The next word is weekend.
Weekend means Saturday and Sunday.
What do you do on the weekend? I relax on the weekend.
The weekend is a great topic for small talk.
Repeat after me. Do you have plans for the weekend?
Do you have plans for the weekend?
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The next word is plans.
Plans are things you want to do in the future.
I have plans to visit my family this weekend.
Some example plans are go shopping, watch movies, or visit friends.
Repeat after me. I have plans to go shopping tomorrow.
I have plans to go shopping tomorrow.
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
Our next word is lately.
Lately means recently, in the past few days or weeks.
Lately, I am very busy with work.
Have you been busy lately? This is a great small talk question.
Repeat after me. I have been reading a lot lately.
I have been reading a lot lately.
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The next word is neighbor.
A neighbor is a person who lives near you.
My neighbor is very friendly. I chat with my neighbor every morning.
We often make small talk with neighbors.
Let's try a quick quiz.
Complete this sentence.
On Saturday and Sunday, I rest. These 2 days are the.
Weekend, Saturday and Sunday are the weekend.
A great job.
Now let's learn 3 important words.
These words are very useful for small talk in English.
The first important word is conversation.
Conversation means talking with someone.
It is an exchange of words between 2 or more people.
A conversation can be short or long.
Small talk is a type of easy conversation.
I had a nice conversation with my neighbor this morning.
Starting a conversation in English can feel scary at first.
But every conversation helps you practice.
Repeat after me. I want to have a conversation in English.
I want to have a conversation in English.
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The next important word is topic.
A topic is what you talk about.
It is the subject of your conversation.
Weather is a popular topic, work is another topic.
When you start small talk, you need a topic.
Now here is the trick I promised you.
Remember, 3 magic topics for any small talk.
The topics are weather, work, and weekend.
Weather means you talk about the sun, rain, or temperature.
Work means you ask about someone's job or how busy they are.
Weekend means you ask about their plans for Saturday and Sunday.
Use these 3 topics for any small talk situation.
Weather, work, weekend. Remember this trick.
Repeat after me. Weather is my favorite topic for small talk.
Weather is my favorite topic for small talk.
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The last important word is comfortable.
Comfortable means feeling relaxed and at ease.
When you feel comfortable, you are not nervous or worried.
I feel comfortable speaking English with my friends.
Small talk helps people feel comfortable together.
The goal of small talk is to make everyone feel comfortable.
A good conversation makes both people feel comfortable.
Repeat after me. I feel comfortable talking about easy topics.
I feel comfortable talking about easy topics.
Your turn.
Okay, let's continue.
Let's try another quiz.
Imagine this. You meet your neighbor in the morning.
You want to start a friendly conversation.
What do you talk about?
Think about it.
Yes, you need a topic, maybe the weather or their plans.
Great job, let's start our story.
Jack, can I tell you about something that happened yesterday?
Of course, what happened?
I was at the coffee shop near my home in London.
Oh, I like that place, you showed me photos.
Yes, that one. So I was waiting for my coffee.
And then,
A woman stood next to me. She looked at me and smiled.
that sounds nice.
Yes, but then she said, "Nice weather today, right?"
That is normal small talk.
I know, but I did not know what to say next.
What did you do?
I just said, "Yes, nice," and then I was quiet.
Oh no, you felt uncomfortable.
Very uncomfortable. I wanted to have a conversation, but my mind was empty.
I understand, finding a topic is hard sometimes.
She was so friendly. I felt bad.
Sarah, small talk is a skill, you can learn it.
But how? My brain stops working.
Do you remember the trick I taught today?
Weather, work, weekend.
Yes, she talked about weather first.
Right, she said the weather was nice.
So you can continue with weather, or move to work or weekend.
How do I move to a different topic?
Easy, after weather you ask about weekend plans.
Like, do you have plans for the weekend?
Exactly, that is a great small talk question.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, let's practice together.
Okay, how?
I will be the person at the coffee shop.
And I practice small talk with you.
Yes, let's start. Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it is very sunny. I love sunny days.
Great, you continue the topic. Now ask me something.
Do you have plans for the weekend?
See, you move to a new topic naturally.
That was not so hard.
Now I answer. This weekend I am cooking a big dinner.
Oh, you like cooking, I remember.
Yes, I am trying a new recipe. What about you?
I plan to read a new book. I am very excited.
Look at us, we are having a comfortable conversation.
Wow, it feels natural.
That is the power of having topics ready.
You are doing great, listeners.
Look how much you understand.
Let me try one more time.
Okay, I will start with a different topic.
Ready?
Have you been busy lately?
Yes, very busy. I have many English students this month.
That sounds exciting. Do you enjoy teaching?
I love it. Helping people learn makes me happy.
I feel the same way in Toronto.
Do you have plans for the weekend, Jack?
I do, I want to play guitar and relax.
That sounds nice. I wish I could play guitar.
Maybe I can teach you one day.
That would be fun.
See, Sarah, you are great at small talk now.
I feel more comfortable.
The topics give you something to say.
Weather, work, weekend. I will remember.
And remember, small talk is not about perfect English.
What do you mean?
Small talk is about connection. People want to feel comfortable.
So they are not checking my grammar.
No, they just want a friendly conversation.
That makes me feel better.
Simple sentences are powerful in small talk.
Like nice weather, or any plans for the weekend.
Exactly, short and friendly.
I will practice with my neighbor tomorrow.
Great idea, start with one topic.
Maybe the weather. It is easy.
And if the conversation continues, add another topic.
Weather first, then weekend plans.
You are learning so fast.
Thank you, Jack. This really helps.
Your voice matters, let's practice.
Listeners, now it is your turn.
Think of a person you can make small talk with.
Maybe a neighbor, a coworker, or someone at a shop.
Now think of one topic to talk about.
Weather, work, weekend.
Take your time.
Okay, let's continue.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned 12 useful words for small talk in English.
Let's remember the most important words.
Conversation is talking with someone.
Every conversation is a chance to practice.
Topic is what you talk about.
Whether work and weekend are easy topics. Comfortable means feeling relaxed and at ease.
Good small talk makes people feel comfortable.
We also learn chat, nice weather and busy.
And small talk, weekend plans, lately and neighbor.
Let's try a final quiz.
True or false? Small talk is about serious topics.
False. Small talk is about light, easy topics.
A great job.
Remember the trick from today.
3 topics, weather, work, and weekend.
Use this trick when you meet someone new.
It works every time.
Now homework time.
This week, try to have one small talk conversation.
Use the weather, work, weekend trick.
Start with one topic, keep it simple.
Then write in the comments, tell us how it went.
For example, I talked to my neighbor about the weather. It was fun.
We want to hear your experience.
Your English is growing every day.
We love to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If this podcast helped you, please subscribe.
Next time, we talk about exciting new things you can learn.
We share lessons that will help you in the future.
It will give you hope and energy to keep learning.
It will be another easy, fun podcast.
Step by step, your English is growing.
See you in the next podcast.
Bye-bye.
Bye.